Would you like to make the perfect shrimp roast? I'll guide you through the entire process, from prepping to wrapping and achieving the perfect golden brown crunch. It is so easy and so crispy. You will only need a few simple ingredients and 25 minutes. Here we have some deveined shrimp. Pat dry with paper towels to ensure shrimp rolls become crispy and prevent oil splattering. Make small incision along the bottom of the shrimp to straighten its natural curve, but do not cut through. Season the shrimp with salt and white pepper. You can also replace it with black pepper. Here we have some spring roll wrappers. If they are frozen, simply defrost them at room temperature for about 1 hour. Once they are softened, they will be very easy to separate. Cut the spring roll wrappers in half diagonally. In a bowl, crack the egg and whisk. This will be our wrapping glue. You can also replace it with 2 tablespoons of flour and 2.5 tablespoons of water. Lay a piece of wrapper flat, then place 1 piece of shrimp at the bottom, and the tail is on the outside. Add some scallions over the wrapper. You can also replace it with cilantro, parsley, basil, or any herbs that you enjoy. Throw the top corner down, the left corner to the right. Brush beaten egg at the right corner, and roll it up all the way from the left to the right. Repeat with the rest. In a large pot over high heat, pour the oil inside, and heat it to 335 degrees Fahrenheit. To test the oil without a thermometer, drop a small piece of the wrapper into the oil. If the wrapper bubbles gently and come up to the surface at a moderate speed, the oil is ready. Carefully place the shrimp rolls inside. Deep fry until golden brown for about 3 minutes, and turn them frequently so that they brown evenly. Remove and drain on a wire rack. You can enjoy the shrimp rolls the way they are or dip them in my sweet chili sauce. Click here for the recipe. They are shockingly delicious, so crispy, so crunchy. I'm 100% sure that you will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!